Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Barclays credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate your Barclays credit card online, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box, type in www.barclayscardus.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the activation page, go ahead and enter your card number found on the credit card you'd want to activate. Enter the 16-digit card number, which is either found in the back or the front of your credit card, and on the next field, enter your security code, which is 3 digits long, available on the back of your credit card. After filling in the security code, head over to the next field and type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. Select your occupation from the drop-down beneath and click the Activate button in order to activate your Barclays credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.